have to fry this fish. So you prepare the same way that I showed you in the previous video. So I'm just going to show you how another way you can make a red snapper, which is by frying it. So what I do, I put a little bit of all-purpose flour in here, and then I'm gonna put a little bit of crushed peppers. You don't have to, this is optional, so that way it can have a little bit, and then I put a little bit of what is it called, breadcrumbs, just a little bit. Okay. And then I put some hot pepper, black pepper. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the fish right here inside of here. Okay, not too clumsy, not too clumsy. Alright, you can do it with your hands. This is much easier. Alright, this is much easier. So what I do is basically right here, fry it, like I said, for about 10 minutes, 5 on each side, okay?